Hello everyone. So today I'm going to tell you about what Tata Classes is offering in ThinkEdge and how is helping students and teachers as well as for the school. So they are, I mean, integrating AI, robotics, coding in school, and whatever they are providing that is completely aligned with NEP 2020. So let me show you few things and what are the content they are going to provide. So they are setting lab in school. So they are going to give cu- structured curriculum. So curriculum will start from class first to 12th, and they are giving you a platform that is a coding platform, Pictoblocks. In this platform, you can perform all robotics and coding based activities. Apart from that, they are going to give you AI and robotics kit, that is Quarky kit. So they are going to give you ultimate kit. So with the help of that ultimate kit, you can make a lot of projects, and they are also providing teacher development program for the teachers, just to help them. I mean, to get the learning about the robotics. So though they do teach in every weekend through online sessions, they are going to give a learning management system that is for students as well as for the teachers. And in this video I will show you about students and as well as for the teachers. And they're having a competition, that is Codiver competition, that is international competition. They used to conduct this competition in different countries. Last year in 2024 it was conducted in Dubai, and in every year it conducted in different companies. So let me go to the LMS part. Now we are in Tata ThinkEdge portal, and this portal name is tatathinkedge.com. So this is a LMS portal from Tata ThinkEdge side. So this is small. I am already having a login there, password is there. So you might have received login credential from your school site, and this is same for the teachers and as well as for the students. So what you have to do, you just have to write down your username or email ID, whatever you have, and then you have to write down your password there, then start login in the system, right? So once you log in the system, so what you will see, so this is a master login here. So but for the student you are going to see only, your class content only, but for teachers you are going to see every content for about students and about teachers, right? So let's suppose if you are in class 3, right? Let me take you to the class 3 site. So this is for teacher resources and this is for the student resources. Let's suppose I'm taking to the student resources. Class 3 students is there, right? So there are 30 sessions in year, and they all are categorized in third in different segment. Like coding is there, physical computing is there, artificial intelligence is there, internet of things is there, robotics is there. So let's start from session first, introduction to Pictoblocks. So I'm just clicking over here. So what I'm getting here, so there are a lot of contents are there. What is program, how to start with the program, planning is there, writing is there, testing and debugging is there, program analogy is there, getting started, so how they can start with this thing, right? So this is the platform Pictoblocks. So if you want to start with this platform, you can download it through through internet, right? You can use it on your laptop, on your tablet, on your mobile, right? So it is having iOS version also, it is having Android version also, it is a desktop application also, right? So these are the points, right, what they have mentioned, what are things, what is the purpose of this block, what is the use of Python coding stage is there, stage mode is there, upload mode is there, sprite mode is there, script mode is there, extension mode is there, right? So whatever, which is necessary to learn, they have given already, right? So this is a basic program just to start with this. and just like their program is activity to make Toby walk. So they are having code, they are giving you palette's name also, which palette you have to use. So this is the palette here, this palette is there. When they have categorized it with the color, right? You can use that color to locate where to start, right? If you are going to use this plug, you can match this color, right? Not for this, but for upcoming programs you can use it, right? Lot of things are there, right? So motion blocks, this palette is there, look for this palette is there, right? So these kind of activities you can perform, right? So once you complete the activities, especially that is for the student part, right? Once you complete the activities, you can just upload the assignment from here. Once you upload the assignment, you are able to go to the next session, that is for the student. So until you will not upload the assignment, you won't able to go to the next session, that is for the student part. Now we are going to teachers segment, right? Especially for the LMS part, right? So teachers segment is there. Let's suppose you are a teacher and you are going to teach in class 3. So I'm just taking you to the class 3 teacher resources. So if you want to teach students about the introduction of picto blocks, you can just click on the picto blocks, and there you are going to find the learning, I mean these resources. What should I say, that is lesson plan is there, and what is the activity you want to perform. So this is the activity and for teaching the student you are going to get lecture slide. So these are the lecture slide is there, activity sheets are there, worksheets are there, solve worksheets are there, right? So activity sheet, let's suppose I'm opening this activity sheet. So in activity sheet you will see everything is there, what are the things they need to learn, and how they have to start, everything is there. It's just like a note, right? So I'm just going back. If you want to assess the students, you can use the worksheet here. So these are the worksheets here. You don't have to work on making questions for assessing the students. You can assess them with the help of this worksheet. Once you're done with the worksheet, you can use the solve worksheet. This will save your time. It is already having the questions, right? And so if you don't want to make the program, so you can just click over here, it will automatically download the program here. Same it will happen with the lecture slide as well, right? So once you're done with everything, you can just mark as complete. Once you mark as complete, it will start showing strike. So this is the LMS part, right? And it is going to help teachers a lot, right? And if you want more information, then stay tuned. Thank you so much.